Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Excuse me if I look extremely greasy or oily or whatever, but it's the end of the night and I just thought I should record my nighttime routine because a lot of people don't ever understand how I go to sleep with my wig on. So this is just a wig nighttime routine, how to wake up with effortless curls. So keep on watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and let's get into this video. Take the back, take my wand, curl it away from my face this way. And you want to make sure that the curl is going on flat, like so. Not rolled over or bumpy, just flat. Hold it for like 10 to 15, 12 seconds. And just let go. And you're left with this. And that's all you have to do. So then you take it and you just push it up and you roll it up, pin and slide it through like that. I'll show you closer when we get to the front. You could just leave it like this and just wrap it up again, but I'm extra and I want my curls to bounce for the next morning, so we're gonna wrap it again. And I always suck with wrapping this away from my face because I like the curls to go away from my face, but I don't ever know how to hold this so that it does that. So part is the most important part, okay? This flip gotta be right. So I take this. You want it to go away from your face. So you hold this down, you go away from your face. Scoot it up, roll again, roll again. Okay, so I finished. I know it's really messy, but it's okay because I'm gonna brush it out in the morning anyways. So after the curls are all in, I just take a bandana, put it over the front, well, a little bit forward, like right here, and I just put this on. Then I take my bonnet and I just put this over and I sleep like this. Because when I just do a band and put it around the front where the lace is, I sweat and it moves and it messes up the baby hairs in the morning. They're just all over the place. So this works better for me. Wash my face, go to sleep, and I'll see you guys in the morning to show you how I brush it out. And yeah.
12 seconds later. 2 hours later. Midnight.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
The next day.